In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and test the Smartsheet Python SDK. To get started, open your computer terminal or command prompt. This is where you'll run the commands needed to prepare your environment. If you're on Windows, you can use command prompt, PowerShell, or Windows Terminal. If you're on a Mac or Linux machine, open the Terminal app. The goal here is simply to access a place where you can type commands directly into your system. Once that's open, make sure Python is installed on your computer. This is important because the Smartsheet SDK for Python depends on a working Python installation. A quick way to check is to run the Python version command in your terminal. If Python is installed correctly, you should see a version number appear. If you don't, you'll need to install Python before moving on. It's also a good idea to make sure pip is available, since that's the package manager you'll use in the next step. Next, install the Smartsheet Python SDK using pip. In your terminal, run the pip install command for the Smartsheet package. This downloads and installs the SDK so your Python scripts can communicate with Smartsheet. Wait for the installation to complete and look for a successful message. If you run into permission issues, you may need to use the Python module version of pip or install the package inside a virtual environment. After that, generate a Smartsheet API access token. You'll do this from your Smartsheet account settings in the developer or personal access token area, depending on the current interface. This token is what allows your script to authenticate securely with the Smartsheet API. Treat it like a password and keep it private. Don't paste it into shared files or public code repositories. Now add the token to your Python script. Typically, this means assigning it to a variable in your code so the SDK can use it when creating a client connection. Make sure the token is entered exactly as generated, with no extra spaces or missing characters. Then import the Smartsheet SDK in your code. This gives your script access to the library's functions and classes. Once imported, you can initialize the Smartsheet client using your access token. Finally, run a test request to confirm the SDK works. A simple request, such as retrieving your user profile or account information, is a good way to verify everything is connected properly. If the request succeeds, your setup is complete and you're ready to start building with the Smartsheet API.